In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a pair of bicycling, running / fishing glasses. And just looking over them here, they're windproof, sandproof, anti-fog, strong resistance to falling, UV protection, HD field of view, which is, just gives you a clearer field of view, reinforced PC lenses, comfortable to wear. Cycling eyewear for all weather conditions. Check these out and open them up. There's some of the things you get. You know what? Enough of that. Let me just show you what you get with these things. Number one, very nice case. Very strong, sturdy case. And that looks good. That's a good blue color. You've got a hook right there for hooking it on. But let me show you what makes these things so unique. I've actually used these. You get a little microfiber cloth and a little holder right there. Polarized lens. You notice there's nothing on that. So polarized, to check it. Microfiber cleaning cloth. But now let's look in, and a little lanyard. How about that? They included a little lanyard with it, and it's springy. Let me show you what makes these so unique. You got a set of lenses here. These are your clear lenses, which is what I use when I'm mountain biking in like darker environments. I'll use the clear lenses. And these are the polarized lenses, so you get two sets of lenses. And let me show you what makes these things so unique. You see this right here? Let's check it and see if it is polarized. So if it's polarized lenses, notice there's nothing on there. Let's see if we can check it out, everybody. It is polarized lenses. Is that not cool? You got dark lenses. Now I just want to go to light lenses. Check this out. This is one of the coolest things. Pull on that. These are neodymium magnets on the inside. How cool is that? Look, watch how nice these work too. Very strong magnets. Hold on. So now I can go dark lenses, light lenses. That is awesome. That's the fastest lens change of any like bike glasses I've ever seen. Very nice. And they're super strong. So if you drop them, these will not come off. You almost have to pull really hard to get them off. I don't know. So yeah, if I want to go clear lenses, I can throw the clear lens. So if it's dark out or I just want eye protection, throw that on there. And then if I need the other lens, I just throw that on there and that works perfect too. So yeah, I tried these on. I used these while I was biking, and these things are awesome. You can adjust. This is actually an adjustable nose clip right here, so that worked really well. And these things just felt really good on while I was riding. This is something I'm going to be using on all of my bike trips, or maybe fishing and kind of like running trips in general. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Aurora cycling glasses. See you all in the next video.